Sorry about that. Anyways, this cross brace is a piece that helps support the transom forwards and backwards, and it actually comes all the way out into here like paddles. This is gray with fiberglass over it instead of wood. What I did was I've got kind of a semi-composite transom here. I laid my plywood in, and there was little gaps in here, you know, because you can't match it exactly when you're cutting it. I mean, I guess you could if you had hours and hours of whittling time, but when you're just cutting it with a saw, you know. So what I did was, on my transom, before I glassed all this in, I poured nida core, because I had some left over that was going bad, and poured it down in that gap, which would help further glue this plywood and seal the edge of it all the way down to the bottom. So I have 0 air voids or gaps in this lamination of this main plywood transom. So there it is. I'm about to cut the cap to get to it from the inside. That way I didn't have to do, a bunch of finishing work on the back like I did on the big boat, where I had to do the whole back end, just a little bit there. So I'm going to sand this thing down, re-gel coat it. I'm going to go with seafoam green, gray, and white, and get rid of all this bass built spackle. This side console is coming out. I'm about to start cutting all this out. The floor is rotted, and you can see I'm going to cut this rod box off here, flat deck this, make a center console, use these 2 outer seats and put them at the same height as that one, and make a built-in cooler underneath them. I'm going to leave the aft deck and the forward deck alone. Other than that, just re-gel coat it. So there it is, the S18B Astro boat, and it's a V-bottom, so it should perform well. Probably run somewhere between 50 and 70 miles an hour. It is a padded style hull. See the pad right there, just like you'd see on a Haney, Mayak, Extreme, the new Blazer Bays, any of the super high performance V boats out there will have this pad on it. So nothing special, but it will run good. So there it is.